So what we got going on, blank canvas, sky blue, moist brush. We've got our heater turned on and we're just going to create the sky all the way. We're going to cover the whole thing in light blue. You always, we're using acrylic, you always want to do the furthest thing away, which is the sky, and work toward you. Right, back and forth, back and forth. Moist brush, dry canvas, light blue. Up, down, left, right, doesn't matter. Yeah, see? Okay. Alright. Hey, come on. There you are. Check it out. Alright, that's all dry. And if you notice, I left it in swirls down this way and then more light down this way. But now I'm going to add just a little bit of purple up in here with a moist brush. Just a little bit, right over here, right on the tip edge, just gently too. You know what I mean? Blend it in is what it is, just like that. And that's where you get all those, you know. Oh, wow. What round was that in? Right. And I may put a little bit more dark blue in that, who knows. And a little more white. I got some white over here. And we want more clouds up here because this is the sky. That's the furthest thing away. Right. Just like that. Oh, I know. Isn't that wonderful? Just like that. You ain't got to blend it. Just make it puffy things. A little bit of purple in there. Back and forth. Blend it. I mean, not blend it, but lightly. Well, like Bob Ross would say. Right. Just kind of like that. And a little bit in there. A little bit in there. Yeah. Just like that. We created a sky. And down here, just... Yeah, right. Because that is... You see these things down here? Right. You see how I left it down here? Right. Okay. Hang on. Okay, so everything's dry. We've taken, drawn us a line over here. Stop right there, because you see how this comes down this way, and you can kind of see how it comes down this way, and right. So now we've got our land thing. Now we just took this little brush, put some white on it, and just reinforce the clouds, the white, and then we're going to let that dry, and we're going to move forward. I know. All right. Alright, so all I've done is I've taken this same fan brush, put some brown on it, did a little bit of that, and then I washed it out. This is acrylic. Put some black on it and just, you know, made little trees on top of that. Alright, that's all I've done so far. Everything's dry. Okay. Okay, so here's where we're at so far. I took a fan brush and put some brown, made some little land things there, and then I washed it out, water, acrylic, and put in some black, and just lightly made the indication of, you know, a distance land thing. So now I've got this, and it's moist. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into black, and I'm going to saturate this brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, over here, just kind of do this kind of thing. Just make landmass. Just like this. Fill it in over here. What we're doing is we're creating, see these two things? A river avenue is what we're doing. Same thing over here. It doesn't have to be all the way. Yeah. Just, black. Right. Come down in here. Right. You see that? And then down in here too. Yeah. Just like that. Okay. Well, it's right. over here you want to cover that up because it ain't gonna get back over there. But yeah, all that kind of stuff. Right. And that's what we're doing with that. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? I see something. Still same brush. Back in the black. Right over here. Okay, hang on. Right about, I don't know. Yeah, right here. Just make a little island. Yeah, kind of like that. Just a little island. Just like that. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. And maybe one over here. Yeah. And while you're at it, you can also make bushes and trees at the same time by doing things like that. Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's just make bushes and trees at the same time while we're making the island. No, isn't that crazy? And then wipe this off. Right. And then down here, well, okay. There we go so far. And I think it's done. All I did was use this brush, black, white, back over here, black, right? And that's all I did. And there we go. I don't know. That's kind of wild. But anyway, have fun. Stay safe. Always keep going. Actually, stand corrected. I don't think this is done yet. I'm going to take this fan brush. It's still moist. I'm going to go in here with some gray. And because this is just too black, I'm just going to lightly just right. Do it. Yeah, yeah. I know. Hello. Just like that. Woo. Lightly, lightly. A little bit over here. Exactly. Over here. Just like that. Over here. A little bit and all the way down. Just swing it, swing it. Ah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Hello. Alright, and I think after some shading and with the fan brush, a little bit of this over here, come down here, not really changing any of the colors. Yeah, just a little tidying up. And let's see. Ooh, man, okay, I think there we go.